Meaning of defect.
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 Defect. Defect refers to a flaw, fault, or imperfection in something that makes it incomplete or unsatisfactory. A defect can occur in various forms such as physical, structural, functional, or aesthetic, and it can affect the performance, safety, or quality of a product, service, or system. The result of a defect can range from minor inconvenience to serious consequences, depending on the nature and severity of the issue. If a defect is identified, it should be addressed promptly and effectively to prevent any adverse impacts on users or stakeholders.